Hi everyone, my name is Beth. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist in the health promotion department at the University of Georgia Health Center, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to make a delicious cranberry crisp. So cranberry crisp would be a great fall dessert recipe, maybe something to have leading up to Thanksgiving or in the days after. Maybe you love cranberry sauce but are looking for a different way to enjoy those cranberries. It's going to come together really quickly. We've already gone ahead and preheated our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So to start off with, you're going to need about 24 ounces of cranberries. I say ounces because cranberries usually come in an 8-ounce package, so you'd need 3. It's also about 6 cups. So you can see this is a lot of cranberries. Cranberries are high in the antioxidant resveratrol, so a lot of times we hear about resveratrol with regards to wine, but know that you can get it from fresh cranberries and blueberries as well, so great for your heart health. So we've got our 6 cups, 3 packages already rinsed off in here, and to which we're just going to add brown sugar, about 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. So this is going to make the filling for our cranberry crisp, and separately we'll make a little topping to go on that will be the actual crisp. So we'll just stir that up and then add in half a cup of orange juice. So if you've ever made cranberry sauce before, you know that these are pretty similar ingredients to what goes in cranberry sauce. Again, just stir those together. Cranberries, brown sugar, could be light or dark brown sugar, whatever you've got on hand. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir it, mix it up, get it all nice, even and coated. There will be a little liquid in the bottom, and then just set it aside. Now that we've got our cranberry mixture all put together, we're going to work on our crispy toppings. So the main base of our crispy topping is going to be some rolled oats. So these are just real inexpensive Kroger old-fashioned rolled oats. We're going to use 1 cup of those. Oats are a whole grain, so that's generally good for our digestive health, our heart health, provide some of that fiber. Next, we're going to mix in, you can use half a cup of any type of nut you'd like, so whether you want to do like pecans, walnuts, or almonds. I chose to use a seed instead, flaxseed, because I'm allergic to nuts. So we're going to try out half a cup of flaxseed, so something just give it kind of that rich, nutty flavor. We've got 1/4 of a cup of flour. You could use almond meal too if that was something that you had on hand and wanted to use. We'll go ahead and mix those dry ingredients together, as well as maybe a quick shake of cinnamon. Something else that might be good in here could be ginger or cardamom, but just eyeball it, a little bit of cinnamon. And maybe a quick little pinch of salt to help bring out some of the sweetness. Not too much. So those are our dry ingredients mixed together here. And finally, we'll add half a cup of packed brown sugar. So our dry ingredients all together are whole grain rolled oats, half a cup of flax meal, a little shake of cinnamon, pinch of salt, half a cup of packed brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of flour. So we just use all-purpose flour. And next, now that we've got that all distributed, you can see it's kind of like a crumbly topping. We're going to add in about 1/3 of a cup of melted butter. So this is going to help put the crisp in our crisp. We'll have some parts that are dry and some little clumps, and that's okay. Mixture should look about like this when you're done. Take whatever pan you're using and grease it. I like to use a little canola oil cooking spray, kind of easy. So take a greased pan and you're going to fill it with your cranberry mixture. Easy breezy. Probably have a bit of sugar and orange juice on the bottom, and just scrape that out with your spatula, pour it in the pan, and spread those evenly. And then next we'll take our crispy oatmeal mixture and just top the cranberries evenly. So you can kind of shake it around. Take your spatula, just spread the mixture evenly so most of the cranberries are covered with your oatmeal, flax, brown sugar mixture. It looks super delicious. I'm excited about this. Here you go, this is what it's gonna look like, and then we're just gonna pop it in our 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. And in 25 to 30 minutes, your cranberries should be bubbling and your toppings should be crispy and ready for you to enjoy.